Okay, so I got my controller yesterday, and it's been working pretty great. I play it on my laptop. I have like a Nintendo 64 game thing that my brother set up for me on here. The controller is pretty light compared to the original. I do have two of the original core controllers. I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you have to plug it up. You plug it up in the USB port. I plug mine up in the closest one because for some reason this one didn't work. So you plug it up. You have to wait a couple of minutes so like your computer can recognize it. And then you go to options, input. You have to make sure that the controller is plugged in, button is pushed. And then, so this says digital pad, which is the D-pad. You just get your controller and you're going to hit the button for each one and it's going to change. So down, you hit down, left, left, right, right, so on and so forth. You even have to do left and right. You have to do the Z button, start button for enter, and then make sure you hit apply and then okay, and you're good to go.
Está para emparejar. Muestra el mando, pero no funciona. Con esto se empareja, pero solamente prende. Si lo suelto, no sirve.